What is Meta AI and how to quickly remove it? Hello world, welcome back to my channel. If this video was helpful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Saying that, let's start the video. Meta AI is a new feature added on WhatsApp where now you can do lots of amazing things like interacting with AI powered chat box within WhatsApp where you can get answer of your questions easily and quickly and provides information about your queries. And also the cool thing is you can ask Meta AI to generate any imaginary photos for you and it will provide you within a second. But if you want to remove or hide the Meta AI button on your WhatsApp, first open WhatsApp on your mobile phone. Now tap on these three dots on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on settings and here you will see various options. Tap on chat option. After that, you will come to this page. Now look for the Show AI Meta button and just turn off the toggle button. Once you do that, the Meta AI button will be disappeared immediately. And just for extra information, if you wish to delete Meta AI chat conversations, simply long press on that chat list and tap on the delete icon on top of your screen. With these simple steps, you can make Meta AI appear and disappear in your WhatsApp screen. So my friend, that's it. Subscribe if you find this video helpful. I will be very happy if you do that and I will be back with another problem solving videos like this. Thanks for watching.